Student, today we will discuss about the next chapter in grammar, English grammar. Okay, and the name of this chapter is pronouns. Okay, so firstly we have to read the paragraph. Jessica's father asked Jessica to bring Jessica's father's pen. Okay, Jessica took the pen and gave the pens to Jessica's father. Okay, in the above paragraph the same noun have been repeated, Jessica's father and Jessica. Okay, and many times. Make it sentence long. It makes the sentence long. We can avoid the repetition, means we can avoid the use of Jessica's father and Jessica again and again. We can just write it as in this format. Jessica's father asked her to bring him a pen. She took it and gave it to him. Here you can see that her is used for Jessica and him is used for her father, and she is used for Jessica, and here him is used for his father, and this is called pronoun. Okay, pronoun are words that take the place of noun, because here we can take her in the place of Jessica's father. Okay, and here we will take she in the place of the name of Jessica, because the name of the person is noun. Okay, that is the definition of pronoun. Pronoun are words that take the place of noun. In the above sentence, this format is given here, which I have already told you. Now, the first option is personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? Here you can see that underline the nouns in this sentence that the pronoun in bold refer to one has done for you. Okay, and this is the first example. My name is Sarah, and you can see that the Sarah is underlined. That means it is a personal pronoun. Okay, and I am the class monitor. Sarah is the class monitor. Okay, because in many students only one or two students can be a monitor of a class. That is why her name is highlighted, means underlined. Jenny, please come here. I need you to help me. Okay, here you can see that no one is underlined. Here you have to underline the next question. I have not seen Harry today. I spoke to him yesterday. And here the Harry is the personal pronoun, which is used. Okay, because him is used for Harry. And another question is also given here. Okay, the police searched the thief's pocket. They were empty. Okay, and fresh fruit is good for health. This is the example. Here the pronoun I, you, him, she, they and it are personal pronoun. Okay, because it is used for personally. It is used in personally. They are used in place of name of person or the name of thing. Okay, personal. What is the definition of personal? The personal pronoun can be in the first person, second person, or third person. They can take the place of the subject or the object of a sentence. Okay, first person pronoun refer to the person speaking. Who is speaking? I like strawberries. Here I is first person. Okay, can you give to me? And here you is second person. The first person, we wanted to hear a story. We is the first person. Okay, dad told us, and us is also a first person. Here I and me are first person. Second person pronoun refer to the person or pronoun you were speaking. You must do whatever the teacher tell you to do. Okay, here you are the second person. Here and here you can see that you is given here, and this is the second person. Here also the you is used for second person. Okay, and the third person is he, she, they, it, used for third person. Okay, there are three format. For in first person I or we belongs, in second person only you belongs, and in third person he, she, they, it belongs. Okay, now here you can see that the table is given here. One has been done. Pronoun I, he, she. Person, the first person is given here singular or subject. Here you have to fill the pronoun second person and plural form. Okay, for he and she. This is your today's work. Okay students, and her, we, them is given here, so you can just fill this, and this is your today's classwork. Fill the correct pronoun in these boxes. Okay, so here I will stop the class, and the rest topic will be discussed on tomorrow class.